Greetings to you. Myself, Nair Abelal from Mechanical Branch, 3rd semester. My group members are Mohit, Abhishek and Krish, and we are going to introduce our CMP project, Weld and Flange. For further details, will explained by my group members.
Hello, myself Mohit Singh. I am from Mechanical Branch, 3rd semester.
Hello, my name is Krishna and here we are going to tell the procedure about our CMP project.
So we have done total 6 operations on our project: facing, turning, taper turning, drilling, boring and welding. So at first we have to set workpiece in the chuck and tool in the tool post, and we have to give horizontal movement to the tool post for the facing, and our facing will be done. And then we have to give vertical movement to the tool post and our turning will be done. Now further details were said by my group member.
After that, fit the web on the chuck and draw towards its entire length. After that, do external taper turning. Our web is ready. Fit the flange in the chuck and do facing and turning and drill 28 mm diameter on the center of the flange. Now our flange and web is ready. Weld both the workpiece and our weld and flange is ready. Thank you.
Hello, myself Abhishek and I am here to tell you about application of our project Weld and Flange. And Weld and Flange are used for high pressure piping application where strong link-proof connections are essential. They resist deformation, reduce corrosion, and improve flow efficiency. Commonly found in industry such as oil and gas, chemical processing and power generation, and it have ability to withstand extreme temperature.